Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Open Vision, where you get the latest of what is taking place in Jamaica. Please remember to subscribe for more like this, because I will be covering a lot of this also place. So this place is in Maroon town, and this is the road leading to Maroon town. So Hurricane Melissa has destroyed it completely, ruined it, cut off the entrance to Maroon town, so it will become difficult for people to enter Maroon town. It's very dangerous. So please remember to subscribe, so as soon as I drop the video you can get it, guys. Peace.
Road to go to Maroon town, you know? Here do. What I wrote down.